Welcome back to another amazing Samsung tips video. Today I'll show you a hidden Samsung Galaxy feature that lets you add your name or any custom text directly on the lock screen. This feature makes your phone look more personal, stylish, and even more secure. So let's begin. First, open the settings page. After entering the settings menu, slowly scroll down until you find the lock screen and AOD option. Tap on it to open the lock screen settings page. Inside this menu, you'll see several customization options for your Samsung device. Keep scrolling until you locate the contact information feature. Once you find it, tap to open. Now, a pop-up text box will appear on the screen. Here you can type anything you want to display on your lock screen. You can add your name, emergency phone number, Instagram ID, or even a short custom message. After typing your text, simply tap on the Done button. That's it. Your name or custom message will now instantly appear on the Samsung lock screen. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Samsung hidden features, Android tricks, and smartphone tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.